welcome back to another episode of Flatline Foul. We've had a pretty good morning so far. We haven't done an intro because we've just been getting set up and ducks started flying and we didn't want to waste time doing an intro and it could be shooting ducks. So it's been going pretty well lately. You're gonna have to stay tuned to see how well it has been going, but it's pretty good. I'm looking at the ducks around me and you just wait and see because it's been going really well, and the ducks have been flying like crazy. So Joe's getting here this afternoon. This is literally the morning after we shot those black ducks. So this hole's been working really well. We did just go out and purchase a Mojo Rippler because we wanted to add a little motion to the spread, and the ducks have been finishing pretty well for the most part. But yeah, it's just been a awesome hunt so far, and we're like 45 minutes in, so hopefully we can get a 4-man limit because that would be awesome. It's definitely possible, 4-man limit of mallards, and yeah, so stay tuned and you're gonna enjoy this one.
Don't shoot yet, don't shoot yet, don't shoot yet, don't shoot yet. I'm gonna drop that right here.
No, you're gonna drop it right there.
Oh no, don't go there.
Another 100 stick going over there. That one might not. It's like in the trees. Oh, come back. There's a single right here, right here. I see.
Good shot, Nolan.
Yes,
good shot.
sir. Yes, sir. Fine with me. Hey, right here, right here, right here, right here.
That was a good shot.
Thank you.
I was trying to get one shot.
Yeah, I didn't even know it landed right here.
That's beautiful.
Good shooting.
Scary for more because they're so fine.
Yeah. Grab him. Shoot that head again.
Go get them. Good shot, boys. There's only one more.
You're done, River, or did you shoot that?
I didn't shoot. I didn't shoot.
Who shot this one?
I shot once and I hit it back.
He shot this one.
Whoever shot first smoked.
Did they shoot it separate?
I didn't shoot at all. I just turned my GoPro on.
Yeah.
I shot once
3 times.
and hit him in the
There you go, buddy. That's awesome.
Is that my limit for that?
What? No, Hennon and Drake.
There you go. You're
That's
done.
awesome, Seth. Well, we got 4 ducks down. They are really loving the hole, and
Shoot for more.
we can only shoot 4 more mallards. So hopefully we have a
Couple greens.
couple black ducks. That'd be awesome. We shot black ducks yesterday. This is the day after we just shot those black ducks, so
We're gonna shoot some more green heads.
we're gonna shoot some more green heads because they're some beautiful birds, and they're definitely loving this hole. They're definitely here. So Seth just shot both of those ducks that I barely got a clip of and limited out. Dan teaching him how to film so he can use a big camera. And
See if we get more.
Let's see if we can get some more, because this is awesome.
Right here, oh yeah.
Right here. This might be it right here.
Here we go. This is gonna be it.
You see him doing it the first time around?
Here we go. I think they flared on us again. Me and you.
Yeah.
I'm done. That's my one right there. You like how I go, Drake,
I wanted to like double stutter step it. Like he was like,
yeah.
I'm scared. Then he's like, oh, I'm gonna go back in. Love to see.
That's my limit right there. You wanna grab that for me? I'm done. That's my one right there.
Hey, good job, Rudy. That one's a little heftier. Nice double. Nice double curl.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I told him it's a stud.
That thing is an absolute stud. Did you get that?
Oh, I sure did get that. It's got to be, I think it's 20 degrees or colder right now. It's freezing. But yeah, so it was a really quick morning. We thought we were gonna possibly get a 4-man limit the way the morning started out, but that didn't happen. But we still had tons of fun and shot a good amount of ducks. There's definitely more ducks in the area now that it's gotten colder, and we're gonna be going out tomorrow with Joe, where we shot those black ducks yesterday, because Joe's gonna be getting here this afternoon from Texas, and we're looking forward to shooting some more ducks. Hope you guys enjoyed another video. It was a pretty sweet hunt. This little hole has produced, and it was just a lot of fun. Also, don't forget about our 500 subscriber giveaway. We are doing a giveaway here shortly whenever we get to 500, so make sure you subscribe. And it's a pretty sweet gift. We can't tell you what it is because that just ruins the surprise. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe to be entered into the giveaway. Yeah, you got anything you want to say?
We got a trip coming up here. We're not going to tell you where to yet, but it's going to be in the beginning of January, so look forward to that too. Thanks for watching another episode.